Doesn't look hopeful. Ooh. Ooh.
So we get 3 goes at slingshotting or catapulting the cans, and then adding all of the cans to. What's the word?
The accumulated figure.
That's the word. The accumulated figure is the winner.
Come on.
Yeah. So if you but if you knock them all down, they get put back up again. Yeah. All right.
Obviously, I was
All right,
rubbish again.
Go on then. Go on then. Let's see. Let's
Right.
see.
This is the Sontaran Catapult Challenge.
Ooh. That's not bad.
One to beat.
That's amazing gold medal. I'm not doing it. I'm not even trying.
You were so jammy on your first go because then 2 summed you up.
That's 3 shots, and 2 of them are impossible. One she knocked over, and the other one she made go backwards. 10 to beat. Should I do it that way? Should I do a new style?
No. You didn't?
Okay, all right. I get it. I get what this is all about then. Can't believe that! I got beat by Jodie Whittaker. Right, I want to get on to the next challenge now.
Next challenge is with a frying pan.
Oh my word! Oh, she's here! She's arrived. Look at her. She's killed the frying pan. There's the frying pan. That's...
How did you even hit that?
Unfortunately, I was so strong, I broke the frying pan. So we're now using a paddle. 3 goes.
Oh! Pressure's on. Oh! Yeah!
God, well, I only have 0 to beat. Sugar plums.
Well, you might draw. Oh! I think I've got a chance. Right, I've got 0 to beat. There we go. Let's get here. Okay.
It was good, that.
Wait, really? Yay! I won one.
So now it's tennis racket round. I think my technique of like...
That's going to be hard, isn't it?
Oh, so gross.
It went right up.
That went everywhere.
Someone's gonna get her.
Sugar!
Oh! It's all or nothing with Jodie.
All right, okay.
Ooh. That was close, wasn't it? Is everyone all right?
We haven't killed anyone.
That was good, though.
This is now sudden death. I've got 3 goals to beat 20, which means I've got to get 14 out of the 3 goals. Well, 15 out of the 3 goals. Doesn't look hopeful. Don't like this game.